Holy crap. God, it's like punching the face.
I know, the snow is like little needles in your face. Here we go.
You want me to hold that up?
Yeah. Hi. We're almost ready. Okay, here we go. It was a nice drift coming into the parking lot.
I bet. At least we'll be home. And we have a snow day guaranteed tomorrow.
No, school's already canceled for tomorrow.
Sweet. I'm so happy. I can stay up late tonight and do whatever I want. I think I'm going to tap out this psychology project, though. It's like a little paper I need to type.
That'd be a smart thing to do.
And I made $6 in tips tonight. I'm happy.
Nobody stole the tips tonight
Nope.
either.
You know what I found out?
What?
Carolyn's ex-husband was in the Navy for diving as well.
No kidding.
Yeah, but he didn't make it through because he got in a fight. He got kicked out.
Oh, too bad.
Yeah, him and a bunch of buddies, I guess, kicked the Marines' ass really bad.
Okay, you can stop it now. If you see something, get along the way. You need a finger?
Yeah.